Come on now. Yeah. Some goes out to all the country ladies out there. And all the good old boys rather have an Ellie Mae than a Kim K any day. Oh yeah. Yeah, yeah.
Trisha, this song is for you. I don't fuck with you. You little stupid ass bitch, I ain't fucking with you. You little dumb ass bitch, I ain't fucking with you. I got a million trillion things that I'd rather fucking do.
Alright, fuck it. That's what we're doing, alright.
Than to be fucking with you. Little stupid ass, I don't give a fuck, I don't give a fuck.
Inside that pants.
I'm gonna wear some sensible pumps so I can stomp.
What you gonna do with all them breasts and that modest blouse?
I'm gonna take them to the White House, the White House, the whoa, White House. 'Cause I'll stomp. I'll use my lady humps to stomp and stomp and stomp. Check it out.
Here we go. This hot chick is all up on my dang-a-lang, giving me the eye while we dance and sing. I can't stop staring at her belly ring. Next thing I know, she's showing me her thingy thing. I can't stop staring at this fine-ass bitch. She's making me go crazy when she dips and gives her hips a twist. She licks her lips and motions for me to come here. We get to dancing, then she starts to whisper in my ear.
I'm really freaky, so let's take a trip around the block. We'll hit the skunk, and if you want, I'll start to cook your sock.
She grabs my rock and then I know just what is happening. She's fiending for the meat inside her little thingy thing.
On the first day of Christmas, my true love gave to me a tab of yellow sunshine LSD. On the second day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 200 reds and a tab of yellow sunshine LSD. On the third day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 3 pounds of grass, 200 reds, and a tab of yellow sunshine LSD. On the fourth day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 4 grams of hash, 3 pounds of grass, 200 reds, and a tab of yellow sunshine LSD.
Stroke my, lick my, suck my cock. It's the first time for you, so here's what you do. Unzip me and strip me and show me you care. Don't go ripping out my pubic hair. Reach for my, grab for my, pull at my cock. You can do it with ease, just get on your knees. Start licking and slurping, my dick will get firm. Soon you'll be tasting sperm.
You little dumbass bitch, I ain't fucking with you. I got a million trillion things that I'd rather fucking do.
Okay, music stops.
Than to be fucking with you.
Yep.
Little stupid ass, I don't give a fuck. I don't give a fuck.
Yeah.
I don't give a fuck, bitch.
Stop
I
the
don't
music.
give a fuck about you and anything that you do. Don't give a fuck about you or anything that you do.
Okay.
Who's the loser now, Trisha? Bully this bitch.